Hi guys, yeah, I haven't filmed a lot. I am British Touring Cars round 1. Yeah, you can hear it in the background. Yeah, that's the twat. Was taking
He's finally vlogging.
Took pictures, but not on this one, the big lens. And I'm going to say the pleb took a picture and he thinks it's so funny.
I did a panoramic view, and yeah, it didn't really work out well. Look at that.
I'll spot the camera out. What is it?
So that's the whole that's the whole picture. You'll be able to see it when you're like that. That's the car. Ready? Look. You got the front end, the rear end.
What the fuck? What have you
But wait.
What the fuck have you done to the car?
It was a panoramic.
Yeah, he done the stupid picture of the panoramic one.
Well, that's what I did. I just went like that.
Yeah, he's just
Right, see that car over there? The Legend?
Yeah.
If you zoom into the Marshall. This is a clip while you've been to the toilet.
Hey there, Mr. Wiener. What do you know? Do you need to tinkle tinkle? Yes, I do think so.
Yeah, ready? See the car that's smoking, ready? He was smoking, and he was smoking all the way there. He pulled up, and that's the footage I managed to get. But he was smoking, so...
That Legend. Yeah. British Touring Cars just doing the last couple laps. This pleb started doing this. Didn't guess it. This is what I have fought with. You are a child. okay, we at day 2 of the British touring cars at Donington, but it's a bit of an issue. It's the racing because
A bit
it's
of fucking issue. It's
Yes.
absolute fucking wet. Just look at my hat.
yeah, his hat is soaked.
I'm
fuck.
soaking wet. I'm ready. We've been stood here for about an hour, and I've looked on Twitter at the British touring cars, and it says track conditions pending, and with the drivers and that.
And we're fucking delayed.
Obviously, safety first. But look, that's my hand white. That is pink because I'm cold.
And I got gloves on me. Haha.
The reason why he's got gloves is because they were going to be cold anyway. You're cold as well. You just admitted it off camera.
I'm cold, kind of, but not cold. But yeah.
Yeah, I want to see touring cars soon.
That's
Yeah.
if it's not been delayed, cancelled.
Plus, also, I on my vlog, I said about it was flooded outside of the circuit. They were up to like the badges and stuff, so it's
Yeah.
quite bad outside of the circuit. So, hopefully, here we are. Look, my hair's wet for a hat.
Oh no.
But yeah, hopefully we can get out of the circuit, and also we could potentially get racing going ahead. It seems like it's drying up, but it's still that bad weather.
Apparently people were slipping in the car park on the mud
Yeah, people were slippery
and getting stuck.
Yeah.
Means well, if it's any more updates come out, well, I'll tell you guys. And oh no, we got a weirdo.
To keep myself warm, I look like this.
And he looks like a twat. Okay, an update from last clip you seen. The touring car's finally on. You might hear it in the background. Sort out near enough all the flooding, what they can do, and they said race is on. Means, yeah, I'm gonna record some clips of the touring cars and maybe some of the small races going around, and then we'll see what we do after. enjoyed this video. And yes,
And come and join us for our next adventure, because it's later on in the year. And when I mean later on in the year, it's months in the year.
yeah, hopefully you like and subscribe, and see you next video. Peace.